Welcome to this exclusive session for all NEET 2023 candidates. This is for all students who have qualified for NEET 2023 and who are applying for Telangana counselling. ఈ వీడియో ఎవరైతే తెలంగాణ నీట్ కౌన్సిలింగ్ కోసం అప్లై చేస్తున్నారో అది వాళ్ళ కోసం. The important details are as follows. The application form is now open. So there are 6 important steps, for the process for the counseling sessions. So first is the date of notification. It was on 6th July. I think most of you would have known that. And second, for online application and uploading of the certificates, the last date is 14th July 6 p.m. So before 14th July 6 p.m. we want all of you to apply for the same. So please note 14th of July 6 p.m. is the final date for application. And after the verification of certificates they will release the final merit list. Then that date is not yet announced. We'll update you as soon as the date is announced. And details of exercising web options will also be announced later once this is done. And then it will be, you need to pay the fees, commencement of classes and the closure of admissions. So we will get into the first step, which is the application. So this is the detailed notification which is being given for the application process. So this is the cutoff for the general category student including EWS. So only those who got 137 and above can apply. 137 కన్నా ఎక్కువ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళే అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. And SC/ST students, physically handicapped students, OBC students 107, and persons with disability 121 is the cutoff. And this is the schedule of the registration. As we have told you, 14th July, please remember this date before 6 p.m. right? So please, you have to apply, and the eligibility is also given, like 10+2 you need to qualify. And OC students should have minimum of 50% marks, BC SC/ST students 40% of the marks, and physically handicapped 45% of the marks in botany, zoology, physics and chemistry, or biology, physics and chemistry. And the NEET cutoff as well. And there's a lower limit of the age. Only above 17 years of age you can apply for the process. And it has already mentioned that please follow the entire counseling process right from registration to web options. Use only desktop or laptop. Only desktop, laptop use cheyandi. And once you do that, these are the documents which you need to be required. So you need to pay registration fee first. So registration fee is 3,500 for OC students, and for BC SC/ST students it's 2,900, and it should be through debit card, credit card or net banking only. 3,500 OC students ki, BC SC/ST students ki 2,900. So be ready with that. And then you need to have these following documents in mind. So first demo, NEET UG rank card, birth certificate, qualifying exam certificate, which is the intermediate marks memo or 12th marks memo if you are a CBSE ICSE student, all study certificates from 6th to 10th, all study certificates intermediate, transfer certificate TC, latest caste certificate if you are EWS, OBC, SC/ST, physically handicapped, our certificate could petkoli. Minority certificate for Muslim minority students, because we have minority colleges as well. EWS certificate for the year 2023-2024, the latest EWS certificate. Parental income certificate, NCC certificate if applicable, Children of Armed Persons certificate if applicable, PMC certificate, Anglo-Indian certificate, and the residence certificate, right, of the candidate or either the parent, issued by the MRO for a period of 10 years that you have studied here. And then Aadhaar card, your latest passport size photograph, and the specimen signature. You need to, all of this should be below 500 KB document, and you can use image sizer app, you can use PDF reducer app. All of them should be in PDF format. Only PDF format lo maatrame undali. So again, 1500 KB is the limit for the NCC and the CAP certificate. 100 KB is for the signature as well as the latest passport size photograph. So you need to update this. So online application, you can open this website. This is the tsmedadm.tshe.in. That is the website. You can open that. You have here mobile and email registration and candidate registration, data updation and certificate upload, and finally you can print the application. These are the 4 steps you need to follow, and I'll be showing you the detailed process as to what needs to be done as well. So we'll be sharing these documents also in our Telegram group. So once you keep these documents ready, you can click on this website tsmedadm.tshe.in. So these are the 4 steps which I told you: mobile and email registration, candidate registration, which is the payment of fees. You need to upload the updating of the data, like your details, your parent details, phone number and all, and then you need to upload your certificate. So first, mobile and email registration, you need to click on this link, and once you click on this link, you will be getting your NEET roll number. So give your roll number of the NEET, this thing, and NEET rank, date of birth, type your correct mobile number, confirm your mobile number. You'll get an OTP, you can generate the OTP, again mail ID, confirm the mail ID, type the CAPTCHA and validate. So once you do that, you will get a message like mobile and email has been registered successfully. Once you do that, you need to click on the registration form that will appear automatically, and there you need to type your NEET roll number. Once you type that, you can type your all India rank, your date of birth, your mobile number, again your caste category and your CAPTCHA. You can validate, and once you do that, you will go to the pay. It will take you to the payment gateway, and you need to pay the fees. So it will show your application fee, and it will show your payment reminder. So that screenshot తీసుకోవాలి. Keep the screenshot ready. Once you do that, you can type in either through credit card, debit card, or net banking, and you will be able to pay the fees with the help of OTP. Once you paid the fees, again take the screenshot of this as well, and you will be getting the fees. After that, you need to type your roll number, registration number and the CAPTCHA code, and you need to upload your passport size photograph, signature. You need to type all these details: your candidate name as per 10+12, date of birth, father name, caste category, sub-caste category, and the caste certificate number. If you are claiming EWS number, parent income, income certificate, inter-board marks, or 12th marks in detail, then the NEET roll number, mobile number, gender, local area, all of this, and hall ticket number. And then you need to type all your study details of 12th, 6th to 12th, everything. And then you can upload your passport size photograph, your signature scanned copy. You can drag and drop, and then you need to click on save and exit, and then you can go for uploading certificates. Once you do that, you need to click on upload certificates button. You'll be able to find this. So roll number type, change the registration number, CAPTCHA, and once you do that, you will be able to see in detail everything. Your NEET rank card, first you need to upload, SSC marks memo, which is your 10th memo, intermediate or 12th memo, study certificates from 6th to 12th, study certificate, transfer certificate, caste certificate, minority certificate if applicable, and the parental income certificate also, which is mandatory. Then you need to click on save and print the application, and you will be finding your application like this, including all the details. So here the samples are given for how the caste certificate number is mentioned. So you can go through this. It's highlighted here. This is actually your caste certificate number. Again, your income certificate number. For any details, you can go to the nearest e-seva. Again, the EWS number. They have already mentioned everything here. So this is the first step of the process. And once this step is completed, they will issue the the merit list, and then you can finally start applying for the web options. All those details also we will mention it with you. So keep all the certificates ready, log in, give your details, pay the registration fee, fill in the details, upload all your certificates in the format which they have mentioned, and you then download the application form and be ready. All the very best. Please remember 14th of July before 6 p.m. దీని ముందరే ఇవన్నీ మీరు కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని ఉంచుకోవాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే యూ కెన్ డ్రాప్ ఎ కామెంట్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ యూ కెన్ డ్రాప్ ది కామెంట్ అండ్ విల్ బీ మోర్ దెన్ హ్యాపీ టు హెల్ప్ యూ.